How to get US address for business. This is totally free, okay? Just go to Google and then I want you to type in Via Boss, okay? So when it comes, just go to the official site of Via Boss and then to bring you right here, okay? So over here you have two options. You can sign up using your email address directly. Just you put the email address, then you put a password, then you click on sign up, or you can also sign up with the Google. Okay, so anyone that you pick, it will then take you to their plan site. Here it is a paid version, but we are not going to use the paid version. As you can see, the skip now, just click on it and then it will bring you right here. Here you are going to fill your address. Okay, so you have to select the country where you are in. Just scroll down, you will see your country. There is a lot of countries in it. Okay, so just select the right country where you are, and then the next thing I have to do is to just put in your first name right here. Then the next thing is to put in your last name and then your company name. It is optional. If you don't have it, no worries, it is optional. Then you put in your address line 1, and then the address line 2 is optional as well, and then the line 3 is also optional. Then you put in the city, then you put in the region or the state, then you put in the postal code, your telephone number, and then all I have to do is just come here and then click on the save. Okay, so let's do it. So as you can see, we have successfully created our account and then we are in our account. When you look at the top left hand corner, you will see the dashboard. Okay, so the dashboard, just click on it, and then when you look at the right hand corner, you will see that we have my business address, my US address. Okay, so this is my US business address, and then it is permanent. You can use it for all your online registration, all your shopping and everything. And then when you go inside your inbox, your email, you will see that they have sent you a notification or a mail saying that this is your US address. So this is how to get a free US address, business address for your business. Okay.